Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make pigskins in a blanket. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 2 tubes of refrigerated crescent rolls, 24 mini hot dogs, I just have the cocktail smokies here, salt and pepper, about a teaspoon of each, yellow mustard, and then an egg wash. So I just have 1 egg that I beat with a little bit of milk, probably about a tablespoon or 2 of milk. So let's go ahead and get started. First we are going to preheat our oven to 375 and line a big cookie sheet with parchment paper. Alright, so next I unrolled 1 of my crescent roll packages, and we are just going to cut each triangle into thirds lengthwise. Alright, all my hot little pigs in a blanket are rearranged in a football now. I did have a couple of my crescent rolls left over. I just didn't buy a big enough package of the cocktail weenies. But now I am going to go ahead and brush all these with my egg wash and sprinkle them with salt and pepper. Alright, that looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, my football just came out of the oven, so now I'm going to put on some laces with my mustard. Alright, my laces are added, so now let's see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, Nuffy Mom, that's good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, like, subscribe.
Bye.